Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can achieve these fluffy pancakes. These pancakes are so fluffy, they are so airy and so light. I promise you that after this recipe you're never going to buy a store-bought mix again. Let's get started. So guys, first I'm going to measure out all my dry ingredients, and the measurements and ingredients I'll be using are listed in the description box below, so please check that out. And I'm just going to whisk this together and set aside. In a separate bowl, I'm going to be mixing all my wet ingredients, starting from 1 cup of buttermilk, which is just 1 cup of whole milk, and 1 tablespoon of vinegar solution. I added in some evaporated milk because I really love the flavor, 2 eggs, vanilla, and some melted butter. I'm going to give this a good whisk and then add in my dry ingredients into my wet batter in 3 folds. Now guys, if you do not like the evaporated milk, you can just double up on your buttermilk, because the evaporated milk tends to change the color of your pancake. So if you're trying to do presentation and things like that, then you can just totally skip that or substitute with heavy cream. Be sure to also mix gently so that you do not overmix, because that will give you a denser result. So I'm just scooping this onto my already preheated pan, and you want to use a non-stick pan for this because that is the only way they are going to come out this nice and fluffy. I did not add oil to my pan, and I'm just going to gently flip this. You would know it's time to flip once your spatula can get under it, so be using a silicone spatula or spoon for this. Now we're just going to let this stay a few seconds and our pancakes are ready. You can already see how fluffy this pancakes looks because of the height build up. So bye bye to making flat pancakes, guys. Bye bye to making flat pancakes. So guys, I paired mine with some strawberry sauce that I made earlier today, and you can check the recipe for the sauce on my page. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye guys.